Yeah, guys, let's continue from yesterday's continuation. Like yesterday, we are done with string concatenation, comparison with the equals method, and double equals to operator. Both are done. So now we are talking about something called finding the index of a character in a string. Okay, suppose we have a, string called. Suppose I asked enter a string from user. User entered something like India. Okay, so now what is your duty? You need to find out the index of n. Okay, so you have to print index of n. The output, expected output is index of n. So what is n index? So I index is 0 and this is 1, 2, 3 and so on, and this is said to be 1, right? So the output should be 1. Okay, so the index of a particular character, if you want to know, you can use a method called indexOf. Okay, so there is a method called indexOf. So this method is used to display the index of a particular character in a string. To display the index of a character in a string. Okay, and there is another method called lastIndexOf. So what is this lastIndexOf? To display the last index of a character in a string. Okay, for example, in the same India, I we have I repeated twice. So I is in the first position, and here also we have one more I. So then how do we know the last index of I means? So you can use last index of method. This will tell you the last index of I. So first index is 0, but last index means 0, 1, 2, 3. So you will get 3 as the output. Guys, are you understanding? Last index of I. So that will be 3. In this way, we can make use of index of and last index of methods in a Java. Okay, so let's get started and we'll see how do we use this index of and last index of methods in Eclipse. So let's go to Eclipse and close all editors. We are creating a new project and Java project I'm selecting. Click on next and I said Winsoft 55 and then finish. So project is created. Right click on the project, go to new class, and the package name is com.prakash I'm giving. The class name is add and select main method and finish. Okay, so what are we talking now? Index of and last index of methods. So how to use these methods? So let's take a string variable, string name, and I want to ask the user the string at runtime. That is why I'm importing util dot scanner class. Then let's ask the user for a string sysout. First let's create object of scanner class. Scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in. Then it is capable to read values at runtime. Yes, object is capable to read values at runtime. Sysout enter a string. So I'm asking user for a string. So that I'm reading into name itself. Name is equal to s dot next line, or you can use next also. So it's ready. Next line is reading a string and it is available in name variable itself. If you print the string directly, you can print like this. Name means you will be getting it. Okay, the given string. Don't want to print the given string means directly you can skip it. It's not a problem. Given string is plus name. I'm printing the string as it is, and I want to print the character of n where n it is. Okay, or enter which character you wanted to search, like that also you can say, or directly you can do it as name dot character at which index. Into index it is showing, I said n. Okay, sorry, index of method, right? Name dot index of, you have to pass the character that you are searching. I want to search for n. Suppose if n is not there, okay, it will not give you index. Okay, So let's try to copy paste, and I want to print last index of I, last name dot last index of I, because I is repeated twice, or enter your country name you can say, or enter string or whatever. Okay, so let's run it and see guys how it is working. Execute, ask for a string, it is asking for string, I said India. See the output guys, the given string is India, and 1 3, what is 1 here? Index of n. For the sake of understanding, here I'm giving message index of n plus, here I'm printing last index of I. Okay, this will print you the message guys, just for the sake of message I'm giving it last index of I. Okay, now it is looking clear to understand. Okay, what are we doing, we'll understand. Enter string India. See guys, the given string is India, just I printed the given string is not compulsory, but index of n is 1 because 0 and 1. Okay, and the last index of 3, I, last index of I is 0 1 2 3. Okay, so in this way we can print index of a particular character and last index of a character as well. Okay, so in this way we can work with the index of and last index. Okay, so let's see what happens if I give something like I said Prakash here. This time there is no n at all. See what happens guys, you will get -1 as the result, and I is also not there. Okay, so this time a is repeated. If I ask for a, I may get the last index. R K means you will get the specific index. So if you don't have that particular character, it returns -1. So that is the point we need to remember. So that's why you can ask for a character also at runtime. Let's ask for the character at runtime. So char ch, which character you want to search, and now ask the user for the character you want to search. Enter a character to search, character to search, so that I'm reading to ch. Ch is equal to s dot next dot caret of 0. This is the way to read a character guys. In Java is bit lengthy. S dot next dot caret of 0, then you will get a character that I am reading into ch. Now we are searching for ch, not n. We don't know which character is given by user. I said ch. Here also I'm saying ch, because I means I may not be there, n may not be there in every string, right? Okay, so index of what I said, index of ch. Okay, like this I'm concatenating. Here also index, last index of any character, you can say same character or any other character. Enter duplicate character that you want to search. Okay, duplicate character means repeated character, so that I'm taking to ch1. Okay, take a variable called char ch1, and now this is what ch1, last index of ch1. Then the code is dynamic. This time it looks good compared with earlier. Okay, this time concatenate. So now let's run it and see guys. This is dynamic. Let's run it and see. It is asking for a string. I said Prakash. Now I want to search for k. So what is the index of k here guys? 0 1 2 3. So 3 is the index. Last index of a I want to search 0 1 2 3 4. So I'll be getting 4 because 2 times a is repeated. So in that way I can go. Let's say k, duplicate character means a. So why a is showing 3? K is 3 is okay. 0 1 2 3, but last index ch1 I have to say, sorry, ch1. Okay, yeah, now you'll be getting correct. Prakash. Okay, K is the character I want to search, and double character is A. So that is 4. So now it is perfect. So the K is there in third index, and obviously second, I mean last A is found in a fourth index, because this is 3, this is 4. Obviously good. Okay. So if you say index of means you will get 0, 1, 2 for A. First index only you will be getting. Let's say CH here. Now CH1 and CH only. Let's write it here. Index of CH1 duplicate character. Let's check it out. Index of CH1. So actually last index of CH1 means you will get 4. But if I say index of CH means you will get the first index only, that is PRA 0, 1, 2. You will get 2 as the result. See now, K and A duplicate character. See guys, so that is the difference of index of and last index of. So when you say index of, it always goes with the first character, first form. The character is found, then it will bring it. Like K anyhow unique character, no problem. 3. Index of A means there are two indexes for A. One is 2 and other one is 4. But it will always go with the first character, first index. That's why we got 2. No boss, I want the last index means you have to use last index of method. Guys, is it clear? Index of, last index of. Okay. Let's go for another example, another method, which is said to be substring. Okay, substring. So what is substring? You can find here when you type anything like name dot, you will get method name substring. Substring. So what is substring method? It is used to read the part of a string from the given string. Okay, it is used to read a part of a string. Okay, part of a string means we need to specify the beginning index and the number of, or ending index, or the number of characters that you want to read. Beginning index and ending index. Okay, if you give only the beginning index, only the beginning index, then it will read the rest of the string. From the beginning it will read the rest of the string. Okay, so what it means, I'll show you anyhow with example, you will understand more. So I have a string called Richard. String name is equal to, I said Richard. This is my string name. I want to read part of the string, like I want to read the first 4 letters, rich. Okay, so how to get rich from this particular string means you need to specify from where you want to start, from 0 beginning index, ending index means like 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to say 4 means 4 minus 1, it will go up to 3. Okay, so in this way you can read a particular part of the string. I want to read only first part, or you want to read harder last 4 letters. So in that case you can go for substring method. Okay, so let's see this example directly guys. We'll create a new project. Java project. I said wins of 56. Let's add a new class to the same. com.prakash I said. Here I said app main method. So substring demo. So let's take a string. String name is equal to, directly I'm initializing, guys. Of course, you can ask user at runtime also using scanner class. Let's try to print it now. Sysout. I want to print a name dot substring of. See, guys, there are multiple overloaded methods here. First one is only beginning index, and second one is beginning and ending index both. So let's go with the second one, beginning and ending index name dot substring of. The first one is from 0 and the last one is 4. When you say 4 means it will go for up to 4 minus 1, guys. So you can simply understanding 0 to 4 minus 1, 3, 0 to 3. So you will get rich as the result. Let's try to see the output. See the output, guys. Rich. 4 means it's not up to the fourth index. 4 number of letters, you can say 0 to 4, 4 letters, or 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 means 3, up to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the way to work with the substring. No, boss, I want to read hard. What to do? So just say from where you want to read. Beginning index is enough. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So H is the first letter that I wanted to start from. So just say 3 and leave it. Substring of 3. That's it. See the output, guys. You will get hard as the result. Guys, are you understanding? So 0 comma 4 means 0 to 4 minus 1. So here I am giving a comment. Starting from 0 index to 4 means 4 minus 1. So up to 3, third index it will read. And coming to this, from third index to rest of the letters. Rest of the letters will be read. Okay. So that is the way to read a string, substring from the given string. Okay. So now I want to read char, C-H-E-R. Anybody? How to read C-H-E-R? What is the code I need to write? Anybody? C-H-E-R, char I wanted to get. So guys, please respond how to read char from this string. And what are the index I need to specify? Gopi,
Sir, 2 comma 4, sir.
2 comma 4. Okay. Let us check it
Sir,
out. 2
2
means
comma
what?
5. 2
Yeah,
comma 5,
0,
sir.
1, 2. This is okay. So from here, 4 minus 1 means 3 only. So we want up to char R, right? So what is the index of R? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see this. You are getting only CH.
2 comma 5, sir.
Let's say 5. So from here 0, 1, 2 is okay. Okay, 3, 4, 5. 5 means you have to say 6. So let's see 6 here and see the output now. We'll get char. Are you understanding, ma?
Yes, sir.
So from 2 is the starting index, but I want up to char. Where is R is available? R is available in fifth index. So you have to say 5 plus 1. Here I said 3 plus 1, right? Third index means 3 plus 1, 4. Here also. So whenever you give 6, it will go up to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 means 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. That is said to be the last index, starting beginning index and ending index. Of course, ending index minus 1. You have to give plus 1. Okay, ending index plus 1. If your ending index is 5 means you have to give 6. If it is 3 means 4, like that you need to give. Okay, yeah. So it will read from 2 to second index to fifth index. Okay, that is the way it works. Okay, so we have a question, guys. task you need to try. Let me copy and paste it in our notes. So your task is you need to uh, accept two strings from user. Task 1, accept two strings from user, like first name and last name. Two strings from user, and you need to take the first two letters, take, concatenate the first two letters from first name, and last two letters from last name, and print them together. Okay, yeah, that is the task actually. Example, enter first name. You are asking user for first name. Suppose user entered Rama, then we are asking for last name. User entered Krishna. So, and then what is the output? Expected output is first two letters from first name, that is RA here. Of course, user may not give same time every time Rama and Krishna. He may give Surya and Prakash, something like that. So what we need to do is take RA from here. So what is the expected output? First two letters from first name RA and last two letters from Krishna, that is NA. The output is RA NA Rana. Are you understanding, ma? So this is your task. Now you need to think logic to pick up the first two letters from the first string and last two letters from the last name. Second string, that is last name, and you need to concatenate with the help of plus operator. Okay, and to pick up the first two letters and last two letters, you can make use of substring method. Guys, are you understanding? So this is the task, you need to try it out, guys. And the next one is, let's see something called replace method. Okay, replace. How to use replace method? So it is used to replace a character with the given character in a string. Okay, so let's see it first how to do. For example, we have a string called string name is equal to something like a bell. So what I want to do is I want to replace B with the H. So my expected output is hell, H-E-L-L. So how to do that? I want to replace B with H. So in that case, you can make use of replace method. So what I can say is name dot replace of. So what is the existing character? B. What is the new character that you want to replace with H? So then the output would be H-E-L-L hell instead of B-E-L-L bell. Okay. So in that way, you can replace a character from a string with a new character with the help of replace method. So let's write the same program. String name2 is equal to, so I said bell bell. So let us print name2 first as it is. See the output, guys. The last line is bell, and I want to replace that b with the h. And what I'm saying is name2 dot replace. Okay, so you can see here the syntax. Okay, old character comma new character. So what is the old character? I said B, and the new character is something like a H. Let us see the output, guys. First bell will be coming and then hell. Okay, so because we replaced B with the H. So in this way, you can use the method called replace. So like this, these are used while writing, code like string string manipulation programs. In interviews, they'll ask you sometimes. They'll give you a string like user will enter a string, and wherever you find I said my name is Prakash. So what is asking here? Wherever you have what you call vowels, you need to replace the vowels with something called stars. So replace the above string with the uh, above vowels. Replace vowels of the above string with the some symbol like star. They'll give you like this star. You need to replace the vowel with the star. So wherever vowel is there, you need to replace with the star. So see guys, a, I, o, U's are vowels, right? So now let us try to replace. What is the expected output? Wherever a is there, a, I, o, U's, you need to a, e, star only. I, star. P, R, A, star. K, A, again star. So this is the expected output, guys. So wherever vowels are there, you have to replace with the star symbol. So how can we replace this vowel with star with the help of replacement? Guys, are you understanding? So can you try this? This is task number 2. So task 1 is already given, na? Yeah, task number 2. So like this, you can try different type of examples, for practice, so that it's helpful for your interviews, guys. Okay. So that is the thing we need to remember while working with the string handling functions in Java. Okay. And apart from this, there is another function called a split function. Okay. So if you want to split a string into multiple words, then we are going to use a method called a split method in a Java. So let's see how to use a split function. So let's create a new project. So if you go to, the kind of examples what we get is working with the split method. Split method. So what is the split method is used for? Split method is used to split a string at the given delimiter. Okay, given delimiter. Whatever delimiter you are mentioning, with that delimiter it is going to split. Okay, it is used to split a string into multiple strings, or you can say words, whatever, at the given delimiter. Whatever the delimiter means separator. What is separating every word in a string? With that delimiter you can split it into multiple strings. Okay, at the given delimiter. For example, I'm giving something like welcome to India. That is the string I have given, and wherever space is there I want to split. So here is one space, here I want to split. Here also one more space. So there I want to split. Okay. So in that case, how to do is we can make use of split function. Okay. So split method is used to split a string into multiple words. Why means most of the logic building questions in Java comes with split internally. So let us use split now with a small example. Okay. Let's go to new project. Java project. I said WinSoft 57. Finish. Right click on the project, add a new class. com.prakash I'm saying. And here is the class name app and main method. So split method demo. Okay, or split demo. So let's take a string first. String name is equal to welcome to India. I'm initializing, guys. Of course I can ask at runtime also, there is no issue. You can use scanner class to read a string. So now what I want to do, I want to print this a single string into multiple words. So then what to do is you can make use of a string array. So we are taking a string array and we are specifying what you call the delimiter to split. Like let's take a for loop, integer I equal to 0. Directly you can take a string array also. String words. Let's take an array called words is equal to name dot split. Okay, from where you want to split is you can give a space here. So what happens when I do so? Name dot split of 1 second, guys. Regular expression we need to give, that is space. What is the regular expression for space? Let me check. Actually, slash n means whenever new line means you can get it, or else space sp or something will be there. Space. 1 second. Space split method in Java. So we can give regular expression actually for space. Yeah, split method. Yeah, slash s, guys. Okay, double slash s is this regular expression. Let's switch to this double slash yes. Yes for space. I can give double quotes. Directly you can give, I think so. Yeah. Let's try with the double quotes. Empty. Empty means space. So the now what happens? The string is splitted with the given. I mean, empty means space itself, or double slash s also can use. Now what is this words array contains? It contains three rows. First row is welcome. Second row is to. Third row is India. How do I know? Simply you can print like this. Is out words of 0. 0 means you will get welcome. Run it and see. The output is welcome. First row. Second row, I mean 1 means you will get what you call 2. 2 means India. Just run it and see, guys. Welcome to India. We have three different words. So the total string, a single string, is divided into three strings with the help of split method. But it is lengthy, right? If you have 3 words, it's okay. If you have 5 words, we can't write 5 times, right? 10 words means we can't write 10 times. So what to do, guys? Any help? How do I print? Can I use for loop? Integer I equal to 0, I less than words dot length. Words dot length means how many words are there up to that. Length means it may be 3 or 4, I don't know. I plus plus. And you can say words of I. Now you can see, guys, you will get welcome to India. So that is the way to use split method. Okay. So what's happening here? Words is a string array which contains three strings. in the first row string, I mean words of 0 we have welcome, words of 1 we have two, and words of 2 we have India. So that's why we are printing welcome to India like this. But what is the advantage, sir? What is the benefit of this? Means let's get started with an example so that you'll understand more clearly. Okay, so the output is, expected output is this. Expected output welcome and then 2 and then India. That is what expected output. We have done it, but there is no such difference whether you print welcome to India horizontally or line by line. It's okay, it's simple concept. But in interviews they will ask you like this. The input is like this, welcome to India, but the expected output is India to welcome. This is the expected output. Guys, can you are you understanding the question, guys? The
Yes,
question
sir.
is, welcome to India. Every word should be reversed. Last word should be printed first, and then last but one is here, and the first word should be last. So we are not reversing the string here. What is meant by string reverse? Every letter will be reversed. A, I, N. That is what string reverse. A, I, D, N, I up to W. That is string reverse. But this is only words are getting reversed. Last word first, and then second word, I mean last word one is second, and the first word is in the last. So how to do this? For this, what I'm doing is I'm making use of split method. So same program I can copy and paste it, create a new project, and here I'm going to do, go to file, new project, Java project, soft 58 I said, from.prakash. Here I said app and main method. So let's paste the code. So what are we doing? Split method demo 2. So what is the expected output? This time I wanted to print India to welcome. User will give welcome to India or any other word. My name is Prakash means. So you need to print reverse. Okay. Suppose if input is my name is Prakash, you have to print Prakash is name mine. Like that I wanted to print. This is the expected output. Prakash is name mine. So this is what the expected output of the program. So you can ask the user at runtime whatever word they want to give, they can give it. Like use a scanner class if you want to do. So import java.util.scanner, and let's take scanner class. Scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay, so it's ready. Now sysout, enter a string, enter a string. User will enter a string like my name is Prakash or whatever, welcome to India or whatever that I'm reading to. Next line, string is ready. So now I'm splitting that into words again. String words is a words array, name dot split of space, here also space again. But this time I want to print from the last word to first word. Can anyone help me out, guys?
For
How? Ah,
into what space, what's length,
I
int
is
I
equal to.
equal
Hmm.
what's length, I greater than 0, I minus minus.
Mm-hmm. Gopi, any changes?
Greater than or equal to, sir.
Very good. Gopi, any other changes?
Sir, ಗೋಪಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ.
Okay, okay. Can you modify anybody? Any other people? Krishna and Mohan. So word length means what? It is, suppose welcome to
Get it.
India means 3. But do we have third index? This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. So what should I say? Words dot length minus 1. So let's try it and see, guys. I said welcome to India. See the output? India to welcome. But I want to print in a single line, sir. You are printing in multiple lines. Just make it as print. Now you run it. Welcome to India. See the output, guys. India to welcome. But I don't have space, sir. What to do? Just give a space here. Plus space. Now you'll get a space. See, guys. India to welcome. So let's give my name is Prakash. Then see the output. My name is Prakash. Prakash is name my. That is the expected output. Perfectly working. Guys, are you understanding? So in this way, we can use split method in different ways. So these kind of questions are coming in interviews, guys. Okay. And your task is task number 3, third task. So that is, if I give welcome to India, the expected output is every word should be reversed. Like this should be reversed first. EMOCLEW. TO should be reversed. OT. India should be reversed. AIDNI. So this is the task number 3. You can try it out and let me know, guys. So is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So others, Mohan, Krishna,
Yes, sir.
what about the new guy today?
Hello, yes, sir.
Yeah, is it okay? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please let me know any doubts if you have. Okay. So I'll share
Okay, sir.
you previous lessons you can watch in my channel. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday session you cannot upload
Ah,
in
I forgot to
YouTube
upload
channel.
actually. I went early to office yesterday. Okay. Today I'll upload yesterday's session and today's session both together. Okay. Chalo guys.
Okay, okay, sir.
Bye bye. See you
Sir,
tomorrow.
sir,
Yes.